Ouais, je pense qu'on a fait déjà à Los Angeles avec ce match nul qu'on a fait là-bas et celui à San José. Je pense que le groupe a pris conscience qu'on peut faire de gros matchs sans encaisser de but. Donc ça contraste un peu avec le match qu'on a fait ici face à Chicago où on a pris pas mal de buts. Donc c'est bien, on travaille pour justement avoir ces clean sheets comme on a fait aujourd'hui. Je veux dire, on est plus content nous du clean sheet que des 3 buts marqués, même si c'est vrai que ça fait plaisir aux fans de voir autant de buts.
Yeah, I think we, like you said, it was a very composed game for us. It wasn't always the best on the ball. I think we had many moments where we were good on the ball, but we were composed and we found the first goal, which was important, and kept it clean until we got the second one, and then after that, killed it off for the third one. So it was a very professional business-like effort for us. It's both pretty big. Drogba, he does a lot of things outside of scoring goals too. He helps bring the team up out of our own zone, so that goes unnoticed a lot. His scoring goals and getting assists is very important, obviously, but his ability to help us move our team up the field has probably been the biggest thing for us. Yeah, I kind of touched on it yesterday. A team like this, they go in spurts, and if they get ahead, they enjoy playing, and they have a lot of playmakers that like to be on the ball. But when they get down, a team like that can get frustrated. So we were able to get them down early, frustrate them a little bit, and then hit them. And we got 2 more games. Well, I guess it's next week at this point, but 2 more home games coming up against conference opponents, and we're going to be happy to play those guys and be confident going forward.
Now we have a streak of like 3 or 4 games without a loss. And I think everything's been going right, and I think you got to tip your hat to our head coach. It's good. I mean, I've been training hard. I've been training a lot and really trying to stay sharp in the final third. And it's a good feeling to score. And it's awesome that Didier gave me the assist. I could say Didier Drogba gave me an assist.
It seems like.
Oui, on a grandi durant le match. Je pense que on a joué contre une excellente équipe. Je pense que la première demi, peut-être, à cause qu'on voulait surveiller un peu plus de près Nguyen, on a donné un peu plus d'espace à Jones. Et ils ont eu un peu plus du ballon, mais quand même, je pense qu'ils ne nous ont jamais déséquilibrés. Et puis, on a grandi. La deuxième demi, je pense qu'on a eu une grande deuxième demi et on a été capable de compter le deuxième. Et puis après, on a fermé le match. Je vais expliquer que ce n'était pas un pari. Je pense que c'était tout préparé, analysé. Je pense qu'on avait beaucoup de matchs, surtout 2 sur la route, qui étaient extrêmement importants. On avait un match ce soir, un match mercredi, un match samedi prochain. Il va y avoir des dates FIFA qui vont arriver. Alors, il faut regarder tout, pas juste un match. Et pour moi, j'ai une équipe qui est capable de bien jouer. Je n'ai pas juste 11 joueurs, j'ai 28 joueurs qui sont capables de jouer. Well, I'm happy that we won, obviously, against a good team. And I think they were a team that's won 6 in a row. And for us to break their streak and to continue on the way that we've been playing, I think it's going to only build confidence to the team going forward. We have another important game on Wednesday, and it was important for us that we had a good performance tonight.